पुनच परम भिक्खवे भिक्खु गच्छन्तो वा गच्छामीति पजानाति ठितो वा ठितोमीति पजानाति निसिन्नो वा निसिन्नं हीति पजानाति शयनो वा शयनं हीति पजानाति यथा यथा पनस्कायोपनिहितोति तथा तथानं पजानाति.
Again, monks, when walking, a monk understands, I am walking. When standing, he understands, I am standing. When sitting, he understands, I am sitting. When lying down, he understands, I am lying down. And he understands accordingly, however his body is placed.
Iti adhyattam va kaye kayanupassī viharati bahiddhā va kaye kayanupassī viharati adhyatta bahiddhā va kaye kayanupassī viharati.
In this way he dwells contemplating his own body. He dwells contemplating others' bodies, and he dwells contemplating both his and others' bodies.
Samudaya dhammanupassī va kāyasmiṃ viharati vaya dhammanupassī va kāyasmiṃ viharati. Samudaya vaya dhammanupassī va kāyasmiṃ viharati.
He dwells contemplating the arising of the body. He dwells contemplating the passing away of the body. And he dwells contemplating the arising and passing away of the body.
Adhikayoti va panassa satipacchupatthita hoti yavadeva jnanamattaya patissati mattaya anisitoca viharati naca kinci loke upadiyati.
Mindfulness that there is a body is simply established in him to the extent necessary for higher knowledge and mindfulness. He dwells independent and not clinging to anything in the world.
Evam bhikkho bhikkhave bhikkhu kaye kayanupassī viharati.
That is how monks a monk dwells contemplating the body